tell you regarding the importance of activity log in time management. According to Steve Jobs, time is a precious resource that we have. So we need to manage it accordingly. So what is the importance of activity log? Activity log is a document which records how, when and where we are spending our time. So this will help, this activity log will help us to know where we are going wrong or where we are not having a proper plan and we are proceeding with our task. So this activity log, what are the benefits of activity log? So it helps in increase in work productivity. Work productivity, how it will increase? When all activities are recorded properly, every task we'll get an idea. These are the tasks to be done. These are the tasks which has to be scheduled lately. All those things we'll get to know. So based on that, when we work on that or when we make this activity log as per that, we will get to know whether we are spending time on the correct activity or whether we are spending time on the unproductive work. So according to that, this activity log will help us in increasing the work productivity. But we need to plan according, as I told you, based on the previous video, I have mentioned about 4 quadrants. Based on that, you will have to plan regarding this activity log also. Then next is it will address your weakness. So like weakness, how you will get to know? It will help you to know how far you are from your target. When you start doing your work, when you make an activity log, you can mention timing, like from this time to this time is I'll be spending for this kind of task. So then you will get to know how far you are from your target. Suppose you are scheduling a time like 11 to 1 p.m. for this work. So when you are not able to complete that, you will get to know. When you are maintaining an activity log, seeing that, you will get to know where you are getting delayed or where you are going wrong. So you will be able to identify your weak points where you are not able to perform properly, and you can take decision accordingly and help to correct that and proceed with your task. Then third one is identify wastage of time. So by maintaining this activity log, you will know where your time is getting wasted during the day. So it help you to spend help you to know where you are spending time unnecessary doing net surfing or as I told you in the previous video, online shopping when you are doing, watching TV. So when you have in your activity log the time limit, you have planned or scheduled for this kind of task, you will get to know that this way I am going wrong, or you will understand where is the time getting wasted. Next is spot underperforming areas. So when you have that activity log, you can mention the details of what all are the things required or what all are the data required for that particular task. So when you are doing a recording for that, you will know where in which place or at which moment of the task you are underperforming. So according to that, when you get to know about that area where you are not able to carry your work properly, you can improve accordingly. So you can take relevant action and carry it forward. So this activity log will always helps you in that. So maintain it like that. Again, time scheduling. So when you are maintaining this activity log, it will help you in scheduling time accordingly. You can without wasting your time much on anything else. When you are maintaining the activity log, it will help you realize how your time needs to be managed for important work. Then next the benefit that you will be getting through is it will help to know know the capacity of your employees. You can map your employees based on the inputs and outputs that you get through that task. So based on that, you can work on your employees. You can delegate tasks to your employees, like that you can do. So the activity log will help in all these things: improving the work productivity, reduce wastage of time, getting to know about your weak points, underperforming areas where your business, suppose your business performance is going low, that also it will help you to know scheduling time accordingly, how that is going to benefit, and how the work performance can be affected through the activity log by understanding the inputs and outputs that you are getting through your employees. Then again, how you need to maintain it, how you are going to maintain a activity log. How you can maintain is like, no, you can make an Excel file for that. So how the Excel file needs to be maintained, how you can do it is, you need to record the date. So this mentioning of the date has to be in the format of month, year and date, record it. Next, and name the file as activity log. Next, you can what all are the tasks to be done, how the task needs to be carried out. The next has to be like that.